up? It's your boy Tose On Deck, and usually I'm repping that On Deck magazine, but today, I mean technically it's 12 o'clock, so we repping that WCW mag here with two of the world's famous most WCWs. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead, ladies.
BX Thunder all day in the building.
And I'm 7.
Yo, I'm telling you, WCW come here with perks. We here in Sin City in the back. Fellas, hi, you hate it. Anyway, what's up, ladies? How y'all doing?
Hi.
Absolutely great. She trying to get back on the floor.
No,
she gotta get that check. She want to get that check. So
I'm fine. I'm here.
And y'all have a radio show, right?
yes.
What's the name of y'all show?
Spill Tea Radio.
The Matrix Studios, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
at the Major Studios every Tuesday from 10 to midnight.
And what y'all be talking about?
Everything.
What don't we talk about?
Everything.
Give me a topic. Tell me.
The crazy thing is, it depends on who we having on the show.
And it depends
So
on-
we don't have we're not one of those shows that this is what we take care of. We
don't even have a set format.
right. We just
So say y'all got somebody boring on the show. How do
we
y'all?
never have anybody boring.
But in the instance, if we did have somebody boring, they would just have to catch up to us.
Right.
So we'll just turn it into the us show. And they'll just be
Have
there.
y'all ever had to do that?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. We've had a lot of interested people that have their own storylines and their own things, and then they feed off of us, and we just have a great time.
Now, who would y'all say? No, without naming names. Who would y'all say was one of the worst guests y'all had to
I don't think we have any worse guests.
We haven't had any bad guests. Maybe we was by ourselves. It was just us up there. We was talking to each other.
I mean, the invisible person, yeah, that was the bad guess because they
other
wasn't
than
involved. But that's it.
Everybody has brought something different to the table, so we
Yeah.
haven't had that problem whatsoever.
So was there anybody that was on there and really got y'all got the most views? Like this is the one right here.
I don't know, but I had the most fun with Fred the Godson and Jacquet, because Jacquet came with Fred.
Jacquet is crazy.
Jacquet
Shout out
Jacquet
Jacquet.
was
What up, bro?
yeah.
And that was fun.
That was
and
really
then
fun.
Fred came back with Jacquet.
You gotta love energy, and he
then
gives
we
the
just
most
fed
energy.
off of everything.
Yeah.
It was so.
Especially me, because I'm a drinker. She's not. She's the same one. That's the same one right here. She's always, it works. You know, it's like yin and yang over here. So at the end of the day,
So
Patron shots.
Who would y'all say is the Charlemagne of the crew? The one that asks the most outrageous questions?
Ha, that'll be me. That'll be me. But why you gotta say that though? Like,
She does ask some off the wall questions, but then every
She
once in a
always
while,
wanna clutch her pearls.
I'll come from left field with an epiphany.
she's really
And
witty.
some of that doesn't come from even what we're even talking about. It'll be something that happened last week that I'll be like, oh. and I do that all the time. It'll just hit me, hey. And so it just depends on what's going on.
Alright, so on an individual standpoint, BX Thunder, do you still own that pole?
Yes, I do.
Yeah? How
Oh,
old
boot camp.
Oh, boot camp.
It's a seasonal thing. I do it from June to October.
Now, what made you start that up?
What made me start the boot camp up? I mean, check the credentials. You gotta Google a bitch, but I can't
No,
say that
you
on
gotta
here.
Google. Yeah,
Oh
you can say whatever you
shit! I
wanna
can
say.
say what the fuck I want. Look, see, this is what I do with it. It's like yeah, she's like, oh lord. But at the end of the day, you know, like I've always been a pole girl. I used to be a dancer.
Okay.
And I've always been a pole girl, and I was not just a pole girl. Like I traveled,
You were
I
an
did
entertainer.
shows, I was an entertainer, yeah. So you know, it was always you should teach it, but I never was into that. I was trying to get my bag, you know. I wasn't really.
People get that twisted. There's a difference between a stripper and a dancer. Strippers
entertainer, yeah.
deliver telegrams with balloons and teddy bears. Dancers just shake and don't even have conversation with you. An entertainer entertains. They make you want to spend money because you actually enjoy what they're getting, and it's a full package. It's conversation. It's a look. It's a style. I hate when people be like, "Oh, you was a stripper." I was not a stripper, dear heart. I entertained. I may not superstar.
Shout
I
out
may
to
not.
all the entertainers. Shout out to all the entertainers out there.
Yes, there's a big difference. I may not have climbed the pole. I may not have big splits, but
Oh,
you
no,
were
this one here,
entertaining.
oh,
Oh
yeah.
God, no, I'm not.
Have you ever tried to get her in the boot camp?
Yeah, I tried plenty of times. I tried plenty of attempts. Tried to drag her one time by her hair, but she's not having it. No, let me stop.
I'm just not into that. I just never had
She's never
to.
been, and she never had to.
I
That's the
never
part,
had
yeah.
to. So, but the thing it's changing so much now that if I was dancing now, yes, I would have to know how to because there's
nothing going on.
There's nothing going on, and the competition is. You got to bring something different. The competition isn't the same. Like it's boring.
But they brought it up because people were saying that you need to do this. This is what you need to do because people want to know. But you know, here and there, you know, if I do like a little party, a bachelorette party or something like that, you know, those are things that I used to do before the boot camp. So it's like, you know, all the time, you need to.
And mainstream gyms are teaching pole classes.
Right.
Mainstream gyms, like if you can sign into Crunch, you can sign into New York Sports Club. They are teaching pole classes at these mainstream.
And the crazy thing is, something that she told me, she said, you know what, my pole class is not like the average pole class. You know, you can do other stuff. You can actually get into the industry coming to my pole class. You know, so.
I've seen some behind the scenes of your pole class. You're very hands on with your.
Right.
So how long have you been already?
That's why she's hands on. Fucking pervert.
Grabbing ass.
Basically.
There's nothing wrong with being a pervert. I'm sure you guys out there can understand. And I'm not totally gay. I love my penis too, but
Totally gay. Did that go over your head?
I love my females. Like you gotta love it. Come on, look at Phoenix. Look at this shit right here. Like look at this. Look at it.
I am not.
Look at it. Phoenix.
Look at it. I'm not gay by any long shot.
Are you not gay or not totally gay?
I'm not totally gay.
No, she don't like girls
I don't
at all.
I have the same.
But that don't stop me from
I don't knock nobody's hustle. I don't knock what you do. I know it does not appeal. I see fucking ass and titties and boot and all day.
She's just been a really good friend of mine for a long time. But you know me, that's my personality. That's just what I'm gonna do. She got a fat ass and very nice titties. So at the end of the day, I'm just gonna do what I do. But she don't pay me no fucking mind.
Are y'all gonna do shoots for WCW Mag? I mean, since we're doing the interview for it, you know what I'm saying?
Of course we are.
Y'all on the spot. Come on the spot.
I don't think I can.
We're not gonna get into that.
Hey, Barbara, hey!
We're not gonna get into that. But being that we're here in Sin City and your place of work, have you seen any strange shit that this is my first? Have you ever seen any
Every
strange
night is some strange shit in this
What's the
place.
strangest shit that happened?
Every night you see some wackadoo nonsense in here.
Wackadoo.
Every Thursday we have Super Idol where anybody from the crowd can enter, that any female with confidence can get on stage. The prize is $500. It goes up from there. And I've seen grandma-looking people get up there. I've seen, this chick got up there like she had bazooms. She didn't have titties. She didn't have breasts. She had bazooms. Them shit like. And she took that shit off, and you didn't even see the rest of her body.
Are you
just
serious?
seen knockers.
She had a size double.
And she just had knockers.
Triple Z.
And they even had.
That was a letter that wasn't even in the
The
alphabet.
DJ even said no. The DJ even said no. Do you
That's
have?
what that was.
What is going on under there? Do you have a thong on under there? And she lifted him up because you have to wear a thong. She lifted him up and she had a thong, but
Oh, you couldn't even see if she had a thong. God
you
damn,
could not
look at
see.
your titties.
That shit was just.
Shout out to the Itty Bitty Titty Committee. I'm sorry, I don't know if I can say this right now.
You
Shout out to
can
the
say
Itty Bitty Titty Committee. Come on
She
now.
had
I got them little. She represents them big titties, but I represent the Itty Bitty.
I'm in the D club.
Nah, you ain't. Bitch.
Those is D's.
Come on, look at these shits right here. Look at them shits.
Shout out to Victoria's Secret for making.
Yin and motherfucking yang. These are little. This is Victoria's Secret too, and this is still
check these ladies out every Tuesday, 10 to 12 a.m. Yeah, 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. on DSM Radio, right?
Spill Tea Radio,
Spill Tea
87.9 FM. You can download the app. It is DSM. You can download the app, DSM BX Mobile,
You can download the app.
and watch it live or
Watch it
listen to
live.
it,
You
or
can
you listen
call
to it on the radio.
You can call in. You can call in with questions. You can, we're about to start a YouTube channel in a moment, so that you can actually catch the shows that you're missing, so that it'll expand our fan base.
You can also do that on the app, but this is
Now,
something.
how long was y'all doing the show?
It's only been 3 months now. Like 3 months. It's only been 3 months.
Why? Because the chemistry is crazy.
How? We've been friends forever. She was there when I had my daughter. She was in the delivery room.
She punched the nurse.
I don't play. When I say my day one,
She punched the
my
nurse
day
in
one.
the delivery room. Yes, she did punch that nurse. It was an accident.
It hurt.
She was, okay, look, check it.
not gonna hold you up. Is there anything that y'all want to tell the people out there?
But at the end of the day, you can follow us on Spill Tea, SPILLTEA _. That's our radio show. And then we have the BX Thunder, BX Thunder. That's everything. You can Google it, Twitter it, Instagram it, Facebook it, and 7 is.
I'm taking my page off private. I do have my page on private because there's a lot of wackos out there, and I don't enjoy the wacko comments, and I don't enjoy the dick pics in my DM. I just don't like it.
I like putting people on blast.
I don't want to see it.
Now, here, I do have to ask you one question, now.
Yes.
There was a meme I seen on your page, what you doing on your, with something with your Okay, gentlemen, on that note, you're welcome. We out of here, man.
I tell you, yin and yang.
Because if I try to do it, I look like I got Down syndrome.
Yo, we out of here. We out of here. Thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you.
We here in Sin City. We out of here. WCW Mac, BX Thunder 7. We going.